Yeah.
Recording.
So this is one of the screen protectors out of the factory kit, and to my surprise there were two of them in there, so that's good. I got my screen clean, so wipe with a very soft cloth like this hoodie. Get it so that you don't have anything on there. And my technique is to spray it with soapy water. Don't need a ton, but you need a good amount. And then you peel this off, and this is the tab that you use to hold it. And what the soapy water does is give you a chance to reposition. If you flub it like I did, it doesn't look like it covers everything, like every inch. So I'm just going to try and center it. Again, thanks to the soapy water. So then once you get it about right, it's just a question of pushing the soapy water out. Now, what I do, I've actually got this wiper tool which is made of rubber, and you can use a credit card or something like that if you don't have one of these, but I definitely recommend the tool like this if you can get your hands on one. And yeah, you just push out the water. Wipe it off. Push out the water. Wipe it off. And what you should end up with is a bubble-free installation. It's important not to put your oily fingers on the sticky part while you're installing, otherwise you end up with a spot where the glue is not going to stick as well. So I think it's all out. Just going to double check on the bottom here. Give it a wipe with my convenient sleeves. And maybe a couple more of these. And now that we're looking good, pull. Oh, it didn't quite grab. Sometimes you gotta keep going just to get all remnants of the water out, and then it should separate. So there's just an outer layer, so I just push with the wiper. There you have it. Let me just wipe it here. So the protective layer is now on. It's a trick that they taught me many years ago when I was installing decals. It works for that. So it looks like I got it a little bit crooked, but as long as it's covering sort of the important center section, I think we're good. Yeah, so I've definitely got that. And this down here is a little bit of moisture in behind, but once you get it out in the sun and heat, it'll evaporate too. And you just want to avoid being too rammy with it for the first while after. But yeah, there you go. Screen protector installed.